To arrest me with food? No, Marubu, you told me you want to arrest me to take me to the police. That's what you told me. Me, I have a court order here. I'm serving you. The High Court has allowed me to direct the play. They are performing tomorrow morning. Other directors are performing. So, this is the court order, High Court order, rubber stamped for your perusal. High Court. Serving you, you're the head. Marubu, this is my friend, head of DCIO Nakuru. He was in Kakamega, he left Kakamega yesterday, or last week. Yes, so this is the order. Have I offended you? No. Have I gone against any rule? I'm just implementing courts. No. You've not told me where am I going to? No. Have I been summoned? Where are the summons? What mistake? Naenda kufanya nini? What am I going to do? Tell me. Do you news hapa niambie? What am I going to? Are you arresting me for scripting a play? Kenya imefika hapo. Mtu akaandika play anafungwa na polisi yao wote. Polisi yote kuja na bunduki na kila kitu. Marubu. No. Tell me. I'm a Kenyan. I need to know. So umefika mahali penye tunaarestiwa. Hiyo dhuluma haiwezi na. Ambia William Ruto aheshimu tu kila mtu. Kwa kama mwatuma mnishike na niko na court order. Court imesema, sio mimi, I'm not forcing anything. And it expressly gives me mandate to train the children. So you're denying the children their rights. Marubu, wewe ni law enforcement.
Hello?
Competent. Okay, Havana. That's unfair. That's unfair. Not in this era. Not in this era. Not in this era. Yeah. But are you arresting me?
I've not said so.
Yeah. So if you're not arresting me, I've refused to go. Because it's not an arrest. If it's an arrest to tell me I'm arrested, we go. I'm being arrested for writing a play in Kenya.
Let's say that.
So tell me. So are you arresting me? Have you come to arrest me? Yeah? Sema. Because if you are not arresting me, you always be na polisi hamsini, alafu mtaka mimi nitoke hapa na wewe. Enda wapi? Usiku na wewe. If it's an arrest, give me a summon. You ready to DCIO? Give me a summon, I go. I'll walk into your office. If you're arresting me, because me, I'm implementing the court order. No. Marubu, ambia hawa jamaa yezekani. And me, I cannot be intimidated. I cannot be intimidated. I'll write what I want. I will think the way I want to think. Nobody can censor me. Tell William Ruto he will not censor me. The Constitution provides for that. So kama ametumanisha ati mimi nisiandike play, haiwezekani. I'll do what the court instructed me to do. If you want to defy the court, you're the DCI. Defy it. Personally, you'll be liable. Personally, because I've served you the court order before cameras. So arrest me. If you want to arrest me for writing a play. Arrest me. Marubu haiwezi.
Sasa hata sijaongea. Mimi naenda kuongea unakataa.
Pigia watu waambie wakuje waseme kwa nini other schools are being allowed to train. Trainers ndio wana train watoto.
Wanaingia wakitoka.
Why are you denying Butere girls their right? Why? Wamekuja hapa directly, wamefungiwa huko ndani, they have been locked like prisoners. Like prisoners. And then wamefika saa hii hawajatulia, kesho asubuhi mnawapeleka stage. We have agreed they are going on stage tomorrow morning. You don't want them to be trained. Why? You don't want them to be prepared. Why? Yet the court has instructed that they should be prepared by their playwright. Haiwezekani, Marubu. Hiyo unyanyasaji ambia William Ruto haiwezi. Enda mwambie, yeye rafiki yangu, mwambie. And tell the first family to stop interfering with festivals, with young kids of nurturing their talents. Achana hiyo story ba. So kama wamekutuma arrest me, twende.
Hello.